Let's check in with KTK meteorologist Andrew Sambit to see if the weather is going to cooperate for your holiday travels. And you got a lot of yellow, a little bit of red behind you. That looks like an active map.
Yeah, today probably not the best day for Thanksgiving travel here across East Texas. If you can hold off until tomorrow, you're probably safer that way. Taking a latest look at live Viper radar right now, we are continuing to track some heavy showers and a few thunder showers out there as well. Now, nothing is severe at this point, but we do have a couple of stronger thunderstorms out there, so we'll zoom into that activity first. The first one is in northern Nacogdoches County right now, which can bring 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts and perhaps some pea-sized hail as it moves east-northeastward. Moving pretty quickly here at 60 miles per hour. This will affect Appleby here shortly and eventually head towards Garrison and eventually Timpson as well here over the next couple of minutes. So just be on the lookout for some brief heavy downpours with this activity, and then also, again, frequent lightning as well. So we'll go ahead and put a tracker on this storm because we know that it's moving at about 60 miles per hour or so, and that is pretty quick to the north and to the east. So there's a look at some of your estimated arrival times there. Again, that is Pleasant Hill at 11:25, SFA by 11:26, Appleby at 11:27, Holly Springs by 11:28, Fitz by 11:32, Pisgah by 11:33, Whispering Pines also at 11:33, Arlem at 11:34, Garrison by 11:35, and the Cedar Point community by 11:37. So keep on the lookout for those brief heavy downpours. At this point, though, it remains below severe limits, so we're not concerned about damaging straight line wind gusts or tornadoes with this system at this point in time. But again, we'll continue to keep an eye on it because certainly that tornado threat is a bit on the higher side for us, especially the farther south and east you go across the area. And the probability of seeing a tornado is at about 10% in our eastern and southeasternmost areas. Although 10% does not sound like a large number, keep in mind that on an average day, the chance of seeing a tornado is pretty much at 0. So 10% in terms of that is actually pretty significant for us. And that's why it's at level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk down that way. So the closer you get to the Toledo Bend Reservoir, the higher the likelihood of seeing a tornado, and then vice versa. The farther north and west you go, the lower the chance of seeing a tornado. So Hemphill has a higher chance of seeing a tornado than in Tyler, but Tyler has a higher chance of seeing a tornado than, say, Sulphur Springs. But as we take a look at the chance for a strong tornado, that is also possible in our eastern most areas. Again, where you see this area highlighted in red, a significant tornado is defined as being EF2 or stronger. And the reason why it's called a significant tornado in that case is because it can cause some significant damage. Again, EF2 is the starter at the strong criteria level there. And of course, by the time you get to EF4, EF5, those are considered violent tornadoes. We're not expecting those, but certainly any tornado can do some damage. So make sure to stay weather aware and know where your tornado safe place is well ahead of time. By noon, we'll be tracking these showers and storms continuing across mainly deep East Texas, especially closer to the Toledo Bend Reservoir. By 2 p.m., the showers and storms are, at least the first batch is starting to move out of the area, but we may see additional showers and storms through about 4, 5 o'clock in the evening, primarily down into Sabine County. Here's a look at rainfall totals over the past 24 hours. The big winner so far in southern Cherokee County and into northern Nacogdoches County, with radar estimates of about 0.8 of an inch, nearing an inch there as those showers and thunderstorms do continue to push on through those areas. Lastly, here's a look at your 7-day forecast now. We are going to see those temperatures cool off quickly after this cold front moves on through. It's going to be chilly as we head into the day on Thanksgiving. And for your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website. That is